I would like to talk about bringing ourselves to our characters. Do you struggle with how to move beyond being just a good technical actor and really embodying your characters? In this video, I will explain what every actor needs to do in order to open up to this deeper understanding of their artistry. In the journey of building a character, there's a world of difference between just playing ideas and delivering the goods. Real acting is about embodying something. When we allow ourselves to connect to something honest, deep, and undeniable, that's when the character really starts to breathe. That's when it becomes real. The doorway to that truth begins with knowing and valuing who you are. This brings me to my first point of focus. You are unique. Each one of us is unlike anyone else on the planet. Recognizing and embracing what makes us unique is one of the greatest gifts that we can give ourselves in our craft. Yet, we are often taught to judge ourselves. We're taught to judge ourselves from the industry. Maybe we're taught to judge ourselves also from our upbringing and our parents and our school. Friends. We're taught to believe that we're not enough. Not young enough, not tall enough, not pretty, not this, too much of that. But when we shift that lens, when we can truly see ourselves as worthy, as unique, just as we are, we unlock a wellspring of creative power. Your individuality is not a flaw. Even if you're opening up to your flaws, in acting, that's what makes us human. It's not a flaw in art. It's a foundation for your artistry. So here's how you move beyond the technical. Of course, all actors must train. Learn to study scripts, styles, movement, character development. We prepare, rehearse, and refine our craft. But at some point, the training needs to give way to something deeper. Technique, just by itself, will not move an audience. Technique by itself cannot be felt in the heart. Using our heart and our soul will. The willingness to be vulnerable, to have courage, to open up our truth. That's what elevates a performance and transforms it from technical to unforgettable. Great acting isn't about perfection. It's about giving a vital part of yourself to your characters. So this brings me to my next point. You are the canvas. Think about it. Your entire acting instrument is you. Your body, your voice, your emotions, your instincts, your lived experiences. You are the canvas and the paint. Costumes and makeup may help shape the role, but the only thing that can give the character life is you. Your quirks, your scars, your story. It all goes into the pot. When you start offering yourself to your characters, something magical happens. The characters that we create stop being ideas. They start coming alive. That's when the character can be felt. And I always say this when I coach. The character cannot live without you. So, in conclusion, you are the power. In a world that's constantly telling you who you need to be, the bravest thing that you can do is stand in your truth. Not just as an actor, but as a human being. Because when you really know yourself, you become unstoppable. And you don't just play characters, you transform them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.